Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Krista Beauty, and if you're just stopping by, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions relating to skincare, ask in the comment section. I'll be sure I'm going to reply. So today we're going to be making a super strong whitening and repair face cream that works against sunburn, pimples, blemishes, dark spots. It's a multi-purpose face cream for lightening and repair. So if you have all these problems, maybe you have pimples, you have dark spots, you want to lighten up, this face cream is your go-to solution. What you're doing in skincare, your base is the ultimate. This skin-free face cream, it is the ultimate. I have used it, in fact, and I love it. I've given it to people, they love it. Against dark spots, against sunburn, it's very active against sunburn. I think everybody should use this as their base. It's very nice, though it's small, but it's very good. You will enjoy value for your money. Vitamin C, it's very nice. This is what I use as my base. I'm going to be scooping 2 tablespoons of this. I'm going to add a little of this too. Oh, it's almost finished. Of this quick clear face cream. Notice quick clear is for dark spots, eczema. 1 tablespoon of this. Quick clear is for dark spots, eczema, pimples, anti-pimples, etc. Closer look. Then clean cap gel. It's very great. It's super good for acne. Open it. Okay. The acne gel is super nice. Where are you taking me? I'm using about half of it. This is how to know original clean cap. It is gel like. It is very good for acne. You can see complete acne treatment. Okay, it's half. Then rapid whitenizer. I already used half of it for this mix. It's good for dark spots. It's very nice. This is the packet. It's very good for dark spots. Super spots remover. When you see rapid whites, just look at the container. This is how it is. But this one I'm going to be using. I've already used half of it. So 1 tablespoon is enough. This cream is a treatment cream for dark spots, pimples, etc. Then my favorite, Lalala, very active for sunburn. Lalala fast action is a whitening face cream. Lalala is very small, so I'm just going to be using everything. Then my favorite Apple Vet Lightning Tube 7-day spot remover. Yeah, spot remover, 7 days action. Trust me, this mixture is going to whiten you under 7 days. clear of blemishes, clear of pimples, dark spots. If you have been battling dark spots for a long time, I think this is for you. It's not really going to remove dark spots, also going to give you nice skin tone. Tablespoon. And this cream is going to make your face glossy, like Halfcast glossy. Gives you that extra glow like my face. Okay, add a little bit of this. P. Vampire serum. This vampire serum contains hyaluronic acid for face smoothing, tightens the skin, give the skin a glowing complexion. It is very good, very nice, but it's very small. That's just the disadvantage of it. But it is small but mighty. A little drop of it is okay. You don't need too much. Body whitening serum, and it's so good for anti-aging. People that are above 40. This is what you should be using, this vampire serum. It's very nice, very good. Contains vitamin A, salicylic acid, and the rest. I'm just about this one drying. Just a little. Okay. Mix. Mix. Yeah, got it. If you like to get the ingredients I sell, you know there are a lot of fake out there, so I sell the original ones. And if you would like me to mix it for you ready made, I do that too. And if you like to talk to me, you're having issues concerning skincare, you want to consult me, you want to ask questions, my WhatsApp line is there. Message me on WhatsApp, message me on Instagram, message me on Facebook. You can call me. I'm always here for you. Okay, take care till next time. Stay blessed. Bye.